In this video, I want to show you how to load paper rolls in your broader label printer. This specific model is the QL820NWB, but what I'll show you next is working with other models as well. So the first step is to open the panel of your printer that is on the top. And if it's the first time this printer is getting used, you're gonna notice there is a paper over here. Simply pull on it. Okay, this is what it says. And if there is a paper in the front sticking out, you need to pull it as well. So you're going to take your paper and you're going to notice there is some holes on this part over here. Make sure that that part with the holes is on the right side. So if you look at the printer just like that, you see the part with the holes is towards the right. And then you simply have to glide it. As you notice over here, there is another, I don't know how you say this, a guide. Okay, and you're gonna leave it like this. Next step is to open the paper roll. It has a small tape over here. You need to peel. Now you're gonna take the paper and we need to push it right over here. There is a gap on the top. This is where the paper goes and we need to unroll it. So just like that, you're gonna push it. If you notice that it doesn't go all the way in, maybe it's because there is some tape left over here. So I suggest you remove it because this can forbid the paper to truly go inside. Okay, now it should be better. So let me try again. I'll guide it there and I will push it. Okay, perfect. And now it's going through, as you see. It needs to stick out slightly, just like that. I don't know if you notice, it's barely sticking out over here. This is how you know that the paper has been installed properly. If you want to replace it with another type of paper, let me remove it. You simply have to pull it out, take your new type of paper, and again, do the same thing, remove over here the small sticker, guide it in place, and then feed in right over there until it sticks out slightly. So it's quite easy to interchange these tapes depending what you intend to do. Again, check my links in the description down below if you want to get some new replacement paper rolls for this printer. Every time you go through my links, you support my channel. At the end, obviously, don't forget to close the lid. So this is it. Thanks, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.